it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one made in Vietnam for the U.S. market. This is Miliket Kalusa. It's called Mix Instant Noodles with seafood flavor. And here we go. So this is an interesting one. As you can see here, it's got drain spouts on the lid, a bunch of stuff, including a fork. Ooh. And so this one's interesting. I don't see this very often. The noodle block also has the garnish sachet, and that goes in. You steep it for 4 minutes, then you drain it off, and then you add all the other goo and gunk in with it, and then you got yourself a little meal there. Little meal. It's wonderful. People enjoy this, apparently. I don't know. It always gets me how many different varieties are on the instant noodle in the market. So many. So many. Just so you know, I mean, it is one to steep. I'm just gonna, I'll do it in this, because the noodle block doesn't exactly fit. I'm not getting that's a little more elegant. It's all about elegance. The elegant perfection lifestyle, folks. It's an interesting thing. In the end, it's a horrible thing. But I won't speak more of the elegant perfection lifestyle because it might, freak some people out. If you're freaked out by elegance and perfection, we just went out walking. That was fun. We went out to the that-a-way and had a very nice walk. And now we're back. So we've been having we either both have oatmeal and banana, or I always have oatmeal and banana. Just saying. It's nice. Nice. Whoa. The lid on this one's a little different. I've noticed a lot of these Vietnamese varieties, they seem to have the packaging's a little different. This is different, that is different. But this is one of the rare opportunities I've had to have one that is, what do you call it? Dry. It's like basically got the sauce along with it, and that's cool. I think it would be a good time to read a good couple passages from the Holy Book. No, nothing as sordid as that, folks. This is the Momofuku Ando Speaks Holy Book from Nissen Foods. These are all quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Thank you again to I can't remember his name, and I should. But I'm wearing his hat. He's the guy from Miojo. Thank you. Arigato. Number 168. Do not indulge in self-praise. Always let a third party be the judge. So don't sit around and go, I'm wonderful. Number 204. Don't try to come up with excuses when you fail. 205. Think of the possible losses first, then the gains. Number 206. Think of serving others first. Your own self comes later. That's a nice one. Number 299. Love and respect are the only things that count. This is like a guy who founded a company. You don't usually think you'd hear that. Number 304, I want to live healthy and be healthy. He lived a long time. There's a lot of people who not only poo-poo Australian table wines, but they really go off about instant noodles. And this guy, I believe, ate his product every day before he died at the ripe old age of, I believe, like 96. He lived healthy and was very long-lived, so balance. Yeah. And now we only have 54 seconds to go until the great drainage of this, of September 13th, 2023. Yeah, it's flying. It's going too fast. But it's good. Things is good. Indeed. Do that a little bit. That's good. So yeah. Yeah. Dead air, that's what they call it. But yeah. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna give it a little stir. Tomorrow's episode, I'll say tentatively, it was going to be today's, I think, but tomorrow's is going to be Mikari Laksa from A1, and it's a vermicelli, and I think, if all goes well, my lovely wife will be joining for the episode. So set your TiVo devices. Whoa! Okay. Okay. That lid might work better if it hadn't been already removed in the outer thing. I don't know though. I am just going to I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way with a strain, a right side up strainer. Jesus Christ. There we go. That's better. Okay. That was two chances at having everything go straight to freaking hell. Right there. Luckily, it did not. So we've got oil, this liquid sauce, and 2 sachets of chili powder, which are going in first. First sachet. Oh, and I want to send a shout out to Ferengi. She's part of the Section 42 group, and we're the mods for the Ramen Junkies group. She contacted me and is sending more Indomie from Australia, and thank you very, very much. I thoroughly appreciate it. She's sent so many different varieties already, and it's really, really above and beyond, and mucho apreciado. Because I can't get those around here. We don't want to put this in the food. The worst is when I cook an instant noodle and don't realize there was another sachet, or look for it and then can't find it, and then find it after I've cooked it. That's like, oh. That's when I'm like, I've made over 4,000 different varieties of instant noodles, and I screwed one up. What the hell? I guess everybody has their days. But... Okay, this is our seafood mix noodle from Vietnam for the U.S. market. Now, See? Food. And now we mix. Got it? Isn't that funny? It makes me think, because, I mean, the noodle's thick. It's got a lot of chili in it. And when I think of spicy and I think of a stir noodle like this, I think of bulldog, of course. And what's funny, have they done like a seafood one? Not really. I don't... Did they do a jampong? They must have done a jampong. They've done a chachang. Jajangmyeon. Jampongmyeon. Dokboki. Alright. Smells good, kind of sweet. Give this a go. There we are. Cheers. Huh, that's funny. It definitely has aspirations of something spicy like bulldog. And honestly, it's quite good. It's got a nice seafood flavor to it. The heat level's on point. Is it as spicy as bulldog? I know you're asking that, and I hate that you asked that because I really don't like to compare one product to another. No, it's not. But I think it tastes better than a lot of bulldog varieties, if that's helpful to you. Yeah, all things are not just spicy, okay? Gotta have that nice savoriness too. Let's add our happiness. Got an egg. It's a weird looking egg, I'll agree. Didn't go as planned whatsoever, but that's an egg. And then we've got some... I really didn't have much along the lines of seafood. I don't have any shrimp, prawn, and prawny. These aren't even prawny paper towels I'm using. Onk, onk, onk. Okay. Oh, I need to put away the dishes. We are literally completely out of spoons. We use a lot of spoons in our household. Like a lot, a lot. There we go. And we'll put some sesame seed on there. I don't like the cut of your jib there, buddy. There you go. Spring onion or sesame seed. And yeah, I really don't have a lot for this one. I'll just do crushed red pepper too. I'll put the crush on the like that. I don't want you on there. I don't want you. No, I'm not gonna screw you up. I'll leave you be. All right, well, there we are. It almost seems like it could use mayonnaise on top. That might not be bad, but I'll have to leave it to your imagination. As far as the mayonnaise goes, that is. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy me your noodles each and every day. Yeah, like and subscribe. It helps me out and helps other like-minded enthusiasts of the instant noodle world. Check it out. You know, I've been mentioning about how you can do the top tier level and get the 7-day thing. This might be something companies might want to do, I was just thinking. Because then you can have a representative of your fine noodle company be on the show, talk about your product, and chit chat and cook one of your products, and that'd be kind of neat. Yeah. All right. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.